Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will tell you how to remove FRP bypass. So this mobile ITEL P33, and I want to remove this FRP bypass. So first of all, you have to insert any SIM in this mobile. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest video. So now friends, you have to get SIM working now. And now friends, you have to press emergency information. You can see here sim worked, and press emergency call and emergency information. After that, click on pencil and add any contact. So do wait. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. And don't forget it, do wait. Contact will show. Go back and again you have to add contact. You can see here contact added, and click contact. Share this contact. So guys, click on share with text. After that, you have to hold on message. You can see here, and okay, app information. And guys, you have to scroll down. After that, click on SMS app and open links. Scroll down, click on YouTube and the YouTube icon. After that, app notification and additional settings. And now guys, you have to scroll down last in about YouTube and YouTube terms of service. You can see here Chrome browser is open now. Accept and continue it. And now guys, click next and no thanks. Now friends, you have to search this link frpfile.com frpfile.com/bypass. When you enter this link, after then you have to click search it. Now friends, you have to download two application. First of all, download Google Account Manager Android 8, and the next guys, you have to download bypass FRP 1.0 APK. You can see here. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos, and click three dot and download tabs. There are two application download. Now you have to install Google Account Manager, and when you install Google Account Manager, then click then after that click install bypass FRP APK. When install it complete, then click open. And now friends, click on three dot and browse sign in. Okay, now friends, you have to enter your Gmail account, enter your Gmail address. When you enter Gmail address, then click next, and after that you have to input password, then click sign in. So friends, signing completed. Now you have to restart this mobile. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel. And restart completed. Now you have to set up this mobile. Escape and continue. Escape. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. Don't forget it. So friends, This mobile FRP bypassed, remove Google account, verify completed. You can see here. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. You can see here this mobile model Android 8. So now bye, be back later, see you next.